at the Chocolate Hills, and entrance is 50 pesos each. And then they give you this giant piece of paper with all these stamps on it, which is kind of weird, but hey. Tourism, tourism, tourism. And this is good because we're actually here. Last week there was a Chinese national holiday all week, so I guess there was 6 million Chinese here. So when you get off at when he drops you off at the parking area, you got to go up 220 steps here to go up to the observation deck to see the Choco Hills. So that's what we're gonna do. Need an escalator. Yeah, carry me. Alright, so after 220 steps, we've arrived at the top.
Hello, my friend.
Ooh, hello, my friend.
Where do you come from?
Dumaguete. Yeah. And here it is, the Chocolate Hills. Okay, we made it. All right, let's go back. Capoico. Alright, so the Chocolate Hills were formed over 1 million years ago. It's basically, it was before the progenitors of humankind were crawling out of the primordial ooze. And it's basically corals and all that stuff that deposited here and created limestone. And usually they call it the Chocolate Hills because it's brown. Because usually it's in the summertime, April and May, but we're here in the fall, so it's green. So it's more of the Calamansi Hills. But it's very nice. This is the usual first stop on the tour. A lot of people getting photos taken, all that stuff. And we'll do that once I stop sweating.
Hey!
Let's go take a look at these formations over here. Yeah. The Calamansi Hills. Very green, very Calamansi-y. It looks like great grazing for goats.
Do you know the history of the Chocolate Hills? No?
No, do tell.
Okay, because if you ask some of the Filipinos, especially old Filipinos, they will tell you that Chocolate Hills was formed because of the two giants fighting each other with the mud. So they throwing mud at each other, and the mud formed as the Chocolate Hills.
Ah, so this is all because the giants were fighting with mud balls.
Yeah.
That makes perfect sense. This whole idea that it's over 1 million years old and it was made from coral limestone, that just sounds too trite. Sounds like fake news. I'll go with the giants. Thank you for that history lesson. And thus ends our foray up into the Calamansi Hills. Pedo green, not chocolate. And now back down the stairs. Up the stairs, down the stairs. That's how it goes. Hey, if you consider our work to be of any value, consider supporting us on Patreon. If you're a Patreon, you get a free copy of my ebook, and we do monthly Google Hangouts. So consider doing that, if you would please.